In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Supabase plan. If you've reached the point where your current plan no longer fits your project needs, Supabase makes it fairly simple to switch to a higher tier directly from the dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the upgrade process from start to finish so you know exactly where to click and what to review before confirming the change. First, log into the Supabase dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and working inside the right organization, especially if you manage multiple projects or teams. Starting in the right workspace helps you avoid making billing changes in the wrong place. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the billing section and click on it. This is where Supabase keeps all of the account and payment details related to your organization. If you're not sure where plan settings live, billing is the right place to go. After that, navigate to the subscription plan area. This section shows your current plan and gives you access to plan management options. It's also a good place to pause for a moment and check what plan you're currently on before making any changes. Next, click on Change Subscription Plan. This opens the upgrade interface where you'll be able to compare available options. The layout is designed to help you switch plans without leaving the billing page, so the rest of the process should feel straightforward. From the side panel, choose the plan you want to upgrade to. Take a moment here to make sure the selected option matches your expected usage, budget, and feature needs. If you're upgrading for more resources, better limits, or production readiness, this is where you'll select the plan that best supports that next stage. Before you finalize anything, carefully review the costs shown on screen. This is an important step because it confirms what you'll be charged and when the changes will take effect. If you haven't already added a payment method, you'll need to do that now. Enter your billing details, double check everything for accuracy, and then confirm the upgrade. Once confirmed, your subscription plan will be updated and your organization will move to the new billing tier. It's a good idea to review the updated billing page afterward just to verify that the change went through successfully. And that's it. That's how to upgrade your Supabase plan quickly and safely from the dashboard.